The stochastic trend trader is a very powerful and versatile algo. You can use it to trade the natural occurring swings, and you can use it on any financial instrument that you want. If you're a pullback trader, you can use the stochastic indicator built into this to buy at opportune moments above a moving average or sell below a moving average. It's a very flexible system. We've built into it multiple trade functionality as well. We also have cumulative take profit, so you can tell the algo to close trades when it's X amount up in equity as compared to your current balance. Over the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you 2 or maybe 3 different applications of this very versatile algo. The first thing we want to have a look at is like really old school setting here. We optimized for the past year, so you're looking at the results from January 21st, 2020, just before COVID-19 and the impacts on the markets took place, all the way to January 2021. And as you can see, we have an equity curve here, which is what you would expect from a conservative trading profile in terms of how we set up the algo. We went with only one trade at a time. We used a slow moving average exponential of 278. We also had a trailing stop in place. What we also did was we decided to opt for approximately a 2-to-1 risk reward. Take profit levels 240 and stop loss 140 here on the euro dollar in 1 hour, and we got these results here. Diving in to have a look at the result, we have a very impressive profit factor of 2.03. We had a maximum equity drawdown of a little under 10%. We had total trades of 29 with 18 winning trades and 11 losing trades, leading us to a quite good result when you look at the risk reward factor. There are many different ways that you can configure the stochastic trend trader. In this particular example, we went for a more sophisticated, I should maybe say exotic configuration here. This is the backtest on the euro dollar, also on a 1 hour, and we backtested the past 3 years. So we had some quiet periods, some periods with a lot of market movements and volatility, and here you can see the equity curve. What we did here is we excluded the use of the moving average, but we did work with multiple trades. We also activated the cumulative take profit, which means that every time we were $142 up in this particular case, we would close all the open positions. Note that in this particular case, we operated with a higher stop loss than take profit. And the reason it works here is that in this particular configuration, we get many more winning trades than losing trades. That's why it's possible. We also went with quite slow settings in the stochastic indicator in the algo. Let's have a look at the trade statistics. Once again, our target was to have no more than a 10% drawdown over time. And here you can see why it was actually working with the take profit lower than the stop loss, which normally you would never do. It worked because we had an amazing 572 winning trades out of 683. So that's pretty astounding. And on this particular account, we took an account of 25,000 all the way to 46,000 over this 3-year period. The stochastic trend trader is so versatile, and you can do so many different interesting things with it. In this particular case, we increased the maximum number of open trades, but we decreased the lot size. We also introduced here a moving average, and it's pretty fast. It's 32 periods. And in this particular case, you can see how the equity develops over time. In this particular case, we also did test from 2018 to 2021, and once again our target was no more than a 10% drawdown in this particular case. Let's have a quick look at the trade statistics here, and we had max balance drawdown of 10% and max equity drawdown of 7%. A very nice relationship between winning and losing trades again, and a pretty good result when we think about it. Was a fairly conservative setting here, and we did 40% over this 3-year period without risking too much. This was a quick overview of the stochastic trend trader. You can do a lot with it. You can trade the natural swings that occurs in the market only, simply use it as a swing trader with the appropriate settings of the stochastic indicator. You can use the master moving average and trade pullbacks and only open buy trades above the moving average and sell trades below. You can try more sophisticated and exotic settings, operate with multiple trades or any combination of that, and get results like the ones you're seeing on your screen here.